Good morning, dear students. Let us revise the lesson number 2, Introduction to Windows 7. See it once again in shortly. As you know, a computer cannot work on its own. It needs instruction for doing tasks. The set of this instruction is called software. Okay. The set of this instruction is called as software. Software means what? Which you cannot touch or feel. Computer software, also called software, is a set of instruction. Software is also a set of instruction. Example of software: Notepad, Paint, Calculator. This is the software which you cannot touch or feel. Yeah, an operating system is the most important software that makes the computer system to operate. It makes the computer to understand the commands given by you. Also, you have to give commands to understand the computer. It carries out all the important tasks of the computer, such as managing the work of different input-output devices attached to the computer, detecting and correcting hardware and software errors, executing a program, and so on. Also, it includes hardware. Computer hardware includes the physical parts of a computer, such as the case, CPU, monitor, mouse, keyboard, computer data, storage, graphics, speaker. Computer hardware is what you can physically touch. Now see, Microsoft DIS operating system, MS-DOS, Microsoft Windows, Apple Macintosh, IBM, Unix and Linux are the examples of operating system. Microsoft Windows is one of the most popular operating system. It is a graphical user interface. What is Windows 7? It is a graphical user interface based operating system released by Microsoft in 2009, which means it provides menus, icons, buttons, dialog box, etc. to interact with the computer easily. The first Windows operating system, known as Microsoft Windows 1.0, came in the market in 1985. This chapter discusses Windows 7 operating system. Now see Windows 7. Windows 7 was released by Microsoft in 2009 to be used on home and business desktop and laptops. Windows 7 has introduced a new way to work in Windows environment. Also, you can work in Windows environment. It provides enhanced user interface, making it more user friendly, improved performance to get the task done efficiently, new level of security to protect precious data from unauthorized access, and so on. Microsoft has released Windows 7 in 6 different editions, namely Windows 7 Starter, Windows 7 Home Basic, Windows 7 Home Premium, Windows 7 Professional, Windows 7 Enterprise, and Windows 7 Ultimate. In this chapter, we will discuss Windows 7 Professional. Now see, starting Windows 7, first of all, when you switch on the computer, it starts loading the operating system. It can start loading the operating system. This process is known as booting. ये process को क्या बोलते हैं? Booting. It takes a few seconds after the operating system is loaded. The first thing that you see on the monitor is the desktop. See, this is the desktop. This is the place where you can keep useful items so that they are easily accessible. Every desktop may look a little different according to the way it is set. You have to set the desktop first of all. Then afterwards, see, the desktop of Windows 7 has been given entirely a new look and style by including arrow themes, gadgets, jump list, and redesigned taskbar and start menu. Okay. Arrow theme means what? An arrow theme is a combination of one or more desktop background. Okay. Combination of desktop background. Also, gadgets are there. Gadgets are the mini programs that provide quick access to information. Displays a calendar on the desktop. Jump list. The jump list is a new feature of Windows 7. And redesigned taskbar and start menu. All the basic elements of Windows like icons, menus, dialog boxes, etc. have been redesigned to provide better visuals. Let us have a look at the basic features of Windows 7. Now see taskbar. The taskbar is the horizontal bar. Taskbar is the horizontal bar present at the bottom of the desktop. It consists of three main sections: the start button, middle section, and the notification area. Three main sections are there, which are the start button, middle section, and the notification area. Now see here, the start button. See, this is the start button. This is the symbol of start button. When click open the start menu, which is the main menu for the navigation. It consists of all files, folders, and programs that are present in the computer. What it consists? All types of files, folders, and programs that are present in the computer. जो भी कुछ कंप्यूटर में फोल्डर्स, फाइल्स या प्रोग्राम है, वो आपको क्या होंगे, उधर दिखाई देंगे. Now see, the middle section shows taskbar button which represent the program that are commonly used or that are currently open. The taskbar button of the active program is always highlighted. You can click any button to open the respective program. You can also switch button several open program. Also see, the notification area has a clock that tells the system date and time. Notification area में क्या दिखाई देगा आपको? It tells the date and time. It also contains a group of icons that present some system programs or certain computer settings. Now see here, this is the start button, this is the taskbar button, and this is the notification area where you can see the time and date. Okay.